Listen, you said New York, the pussy say me not have no tune. Look, me have tune. You not play one good tune in a year round. You have no music to match up Supersonic. You have talk and gimmicks, but sound clash is about you must have music and tune. All who agree say yes. All right.
Kill them now. Yeah. Kill them now.
We getting there, Jimmy.
All hell break loose. We murder you, yes. Oh God, it's Judgment Day. We murder you. Supersonic rule. Hit people right. We murder you, yeah. It's Judgment Day.
What does I say?
We murder.
You have to have music.
Hit people right. Now we don't know about no trophy. We just came here to kill some sound. And it's not about the money. We won't.
I remember, I don't want your stinking belt.
Too much DB jump bands.
Me have my own blood clot belt. Me not want no man belt.
Supersonic gotta teach them.
Keep it.
No sound is everlasting. Yes, we murder you.
That's all I want to do is murder your little punk and make you send you back to Delaware where you could go Facebook Live and chat to your Facebook friends. But what did I say? It's all about music. This is Chronics played by Supersonic alone.
Supersonic play. Oh, there's something about this song, and when I play in a dancehall style, when Supersonic turn up loud, people will.
When I say more, you say music. More. It's music, Jimmy. This is Chronic's exclusive play by us alone.
Supersonic play.
What's how you bust a skank?
Oh, there's something about this song, and when I play in a dancehall style, when Supersonic turn up loud, people will walk.
Do you listen?
Rasta man and a Rasta woman, them dance till the sunrise, yeah. Sunrise. When Supersonic in the lawn, Supersonic in the lawn, the robot dove from the still dawn, robot dove from the still dawn, wind their waist and scan them legs, and then nobody wants to go to bed, but now Supersonic plays so real, the Supersonic plays supreme.
Thank you very much, Chronics. I want to name the Majesty exclusive. But Jimmy, I was waiting to hear some bujo from you, and you only play a few on the Punani like LP and Addies and Earthruler and Spectrum and Soul Supreme. The list is on. Play my tune.
Oh, our Father,
What
in Zion,
everybody free up.
on the way, be thy name, thy kingdom come on earth, thine will be done on earth. Supersonic all away, be thy name.
Look, everybody has seen this and we play that by fifth round.
Sound reggae music, Berlin ice love it, London ice love it, Cologne, Germany. Watch out, Hamburg, Luxembourg, Munich, everyone plays niceness. Watch it, Supersonic crew.
Jimmy, this is Supersonic.
Supersonic sound free the people. Over hills and valleys too. Don't let them fool you. Don't you believe some sound? They really don't like you. We teach all people.
What's a
Goes
look?
over
It's
hills
only 5 minutes.
and valleys too.
Yeah. Supersonic come again, yeah. Just deliberation.
Jimmy, you know you're a man, you have no respect.
Supersonic chant wood. Whoa, John Wood.
Jimmy, you have no blood clot respect.
Babylon no judgment red like fire.
I will expose you.
Why your judgment red like fire? What's not quick silver say? Hey yo, them never go get free. Shine on tomorrow. Supersonic I tell them today. Never go reach Mount Zion. But them no still I see.
Alright, pull up, answer, pull up. I'm gonna discipline your blood clot now, Jimmy. Cause you're too chatty, you have no respect. You don't respect the elders. You know, and I me, but Panzer, the other day Panzer was going through the timeline and see a post. A man from New York was asking, how comes no sound a play Donna V on special nowadays? You know what Jimmy Spliff said? Donna who? Jimmy said, Donna who? And then the next man play a song for him. And Jimmy Spliff said he rather voice Bounty Killer singing 1, 2, 3 ABC than voicing a man like Donna V. A blood clot disrespect that, right? Right now, Donna V and his big brother have a blood clot message for your punk.
Big up Supersonic, Panzer, Spider. Tell them so a gunshot make them go either or either. Hey, batty boy Jimmy Spliff. You go dead, gunshot go fill out your bumbo clot head. You this Donna V, well gunshot go rain, we have no mercy.
Donna V and Super Sis.
Jimmy, we have to take the forward from here.
Come this. Oh, you want to come test this? I want to them Super Sis.
Loud to Mercy Lee.
I say, oh, na, na.
New York!
I say, oh, na, na. Supersonic.
New York!
Supersonic is ready. King Shine dead and buried. Cause you're this New York artist again.
Jimmy Spliff, what's up, brother?
Now don't move your feet now. Supersonic make bullet beat now.
How could you diss Donna V and the big brother?
Super C and Donna V said a boom, boom. Supersonic is the boom, boom. I miss a boom, boom. Jimmy Spliff, you eat too much boom, boom.
Supersonic kill King Shine to Bumbo Rasclat. Supersonic make the gunshot back, Rago kill off them Bumbo Rasclat.
Yo, go sit down!
Artist from New York, Sonic a bad sound and the king of Europe. As simple as you see it.
Play back. That part of the tune, play.
Wait. New York, he says a playback. Was you... No, are you that dumb, Jimmy? Jimmy, are you that dumb? Did you play I'm gonna King Shine so you kill yourself? I don't know say Jimmy a idiot say fool. I don't know Jimmy dead say dead. Your blood clot, your blood clot.
Bad boy sound. Gunman sound. Spider, Panzer, man like Danny Fire.
I don't know Jimmy dead.
Catch it. What a ding 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 ding. What a ding 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 ding. What a ding 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 ding. What a ding 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 ding. Come catch it. Bad boy step in. Come catch it. Bad boy step in. Stick a ding ding. I know what a man.
Supersonic, yo yo. Yeah, we no better, we no pamper code. That when them a sponsor down, just with amper. Alright, give it up. But oh, them come and tell me say them bad and them wicked.
Once a play my champion, give the whole wide world some called Supersonic outer international. That a mercy me. Tell them. No sound no rough, no sound no bad, no sound no bad, that no sound. And this a sound of the A1.
When we murder pussy, all them can't answer. Why? Supersonic hunt and seek and find and kill.
Left them with bullet burning, none of mercy. Bumbo will do them. Yo! Boy, you talk about him have the most dub boy. We no dub money, no, let me tell you go dub.
No, we get it for tune, right?
We do you have blood clot.
But how about dub for dub time?
Here we do you have.
Them attack, But them have the most up and a brag. Say them have the best set of dub, but we no care. We no responsive man dub. We are gonna get Supersonic kill them now. Them a talk about up, feed up till them go soak them mama.
Yo! All who love who are going, make beer, no make beer nice. Oh no, say fight club. Fight club. Jimmy, 10 minutes from the time. Me now stop the blood clot dance. Jimmy, your time. People, pussy. I'm not stopping no fuck. We are going to wait. I'm going to show them, see them look a booing pussy wall, eh? Say the people in here so rate me. Spider, you run out and run out and run out, and you think say me tune them done. Me have some blood clot tune with me not even touch yet. Me not even touch them yet. Me can't play some of King Shine blood clot anthem. New York!
Yeah.
Spider!
King Shine will be playing there, we are sure.
Spider!
In this world of calamity, dirty looks and grudges and jealousy. Some owner way abuse them authority. Some boy we don't know about variety. Well, a King Shine sound come murder them slow.
Bust the wall, you don't know my sound.
Now yes, Lion you, King Shine sound, original sound killer, you know. Ooh-wee. And every song.
Spider, you come from Germany, me I carry you go a blood clot Africa now. New York!
Chili loom loom them.
Spider!
Some of the smartest dummy rise against King Shine and dead like mommy. Meet them doom and can't find food for the starving tummy. Jimmy.
Pull up that song, yeah. Me say Spider, when me play that blood clot tune, yeah, the King Shine fan them are gonna run you out of this blood clot. Wanna notice me not touch this from night? A third round, a morning ride.
Anyway, mama, burn bad mind in this time.
You see Jimmy Spliff me a what?
Gangsta for life. Mama don't cry.
Who do tell Spider?
No.
Who do tell him?
King Shine. Hey. No, those niggas can't kill me. Tell them don't try.
Pussy wall.
I got the G from
You don't know about that badness here.
Shine badness, yeah, King Shine badness. Maybe show you King Shine badness.
Spider!
Yo, Jimmy Smith, hey sample. Look how much rifle they are so put on.
Pussy!
The first time me come here, so me say Google.
Pull up.
If you feel like
Everything we him asks for, about to kill. See him set of people them. The camera can't show nobody over your son or boo. People, wanna hear him? A ball and a ball and a ball for Bojo. A ball and a ball and a ball for Bojo. Pussy, Spider, Bojo want to tell you something. You know, no Bojo. Bojo want to tell you this, Spider.
Yeah! Now listen up. I don't want the man to crowd on here right here, you know. I saw the sound, I mean, I want a man to bounce the turntable. I don't want to think at this.
Pussy warrior fly come to New York and embarrass yourself.
Yeah, boy.
Spider!
Hear me now, try now. So I'll bring this guy some of the stands off your face, man. Run off the mountain, boy, I don't know why you know.
Spider, me say a long distance dance, I run out of gas, pussy.
Yo! King Shine said for run the marathon, them could run it. Shine said for burn down the place, them could burn it. How them feel in a competition when them
Pussy war Spider!
Axe take up the mic, sound boy take serve. Run the place,
Why run a Buju joke with me? All the way, Buju Bantan, show the pussy wall. Shine about Buju.
Alright, why no move? Tell man I want to do that proof to them. When you find them run down and I wait for the news, you go hype up yourself and the general. Show it up, baby, I'll hold them up.
Pussy war Spider, you chat too blood clot much.
Cinnamon, I want some bumper clad sound.
You chat too much.
Shine, hey, none of them pussy there. Can't call King Shine so no informer. Send him to the barber.
Me say you chat too blood clot much.
Like your father.
Spider!
we do.
It's one of the 5-star general. Well, talk shit cause your mouth is a tiling. So when you feel fi say, but it sound styling. We make them career king shine, you go and spoil it. That boy your pussy, that's why we never wild it.
Bob Buckler, perfect time. People, well on there, let me look. Them say a tune for tune next round, right? A 4:30 in a blood clot morning. A 4:30 in the blood clot morning. A 4:30 in the blood clot morning. When it's 4:30 in the morning in New York City, you have to play a song like them, yeah.
Oh, King Shine.
New York! New York!
Listen, I know it's late. I know you irate.
New York!
I know you planning. Don't include we. Still here we are.
Me say on the blood clot morning ride. New York City, me can't tell you no something.
Me out. I hope tomorrow will bring better you, better me.
John!
Then we'll show me sound. King Shine got more those to play.
Level. You talk about Buju Pani Punani as if anybody own it. Punani rhythm a Buju favorite blood clot rhythm. All who love to hear Buju Pan DJ Pan the blood clot Punani rhythm. Wanna tell what pussy was spider, me say.
Yo, I want to them king signs, the original garment.
Squeeze off! I play boom by in a batty boy head. Cause we don't promote no batty man, them off the day.
Pussy!
Boom by in a batty boy head. King Shine is immaculate, is Blackburn. Man must not go, must kiss a must lay down in the
Spider, me say. Buju Pan the Punani rhythm, you can't fight it.
No kids pan the bridge, I say yo, Black Pearl, Bush Band to the top.
We ain't another toe, we ain't another toe deep. Not the toe ordinary, not the toe cheap. Not the way the wrong side and not the way free.
Me say him can't fight the Buju them.
It's a call of young new kings. Buju goes around them. Damn gun so big, me can't hold it in a one hand. From me a 40, me a walk with a cannon. No in the law, I don't know with no man.
Me say, me no blood clot done. The boy a grush me from the Buju them pan the Punani. When me a go use and kill him.
Hold it on, give me now. Now if you don't hear bam 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 bam, no try answer. What coming on the real outlaw and we are the real sound killer. You hear boom 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 boom. Full tech cover, you bad like a King Shine. Yo, well, how some sound system and I run past the mess.
You think a blood clot Buju Bantan alone?
I'm going to fling that up my
You think a Buju Bantan alone, pussy?
Oh, Bobby 6 killer.
Wrong move, no bother make no wrong move.
Tell them.
Tell all the sound them no make no wrong move.
Morning.
Wrong move, no bother make no wrong move. Tell all the sound them no make no wrong move.
I go.
Them come in and they dance and I go like them bad. We soon know if them.
All the way Bounty Killer's a bad blood clot DJ. I go.
Crack we think them mad.
King Shine come fi kill, we no just get big cute pussy will let. And them batty assignment, me get them
Bounty again.
I want to them on the Lord's alignment. Your batty man boss send you, King Shine them hen you. The back a bounty dog where we a play.
They say Bounty again.
They get hot for ducks. Pussy wall and batty man no want them around way. Want to with it so them can get free mound way.
Pussy wall, me say Bounty again. Now run a Bounty joke with me.
Want to them. Me gonna ask who you, me gonna take interview. You dead, you this a shoeless.
I play a bad blood clot song me a play. Bounty.
King Shine say, when you see bad man no hawk like no chucky. If you say one time and do then you lucky. Big gun we bust bad man no bust bucky. Tell them King Shine you no fuck, we make the
pull up that blood clot song ya. Pussy was spider. Pussy wall, you know see the lights on. Almost time for the nitty-gritty. Pussy wall. The two we just a hold up time into the nitty-gritty. Yeah, me take the first half of the dance. You come in, take little piece of the end part of it. Cause you love end. You're a batty man. People may have a minute and some change. I'm gonna play some bad blood clot morning ride classics.
Some gun them big.
Nitty-gritty angel, do listen, warlord.
Shot cow dog and pig. Shot batty boy we wig. Them for know say this a King Shine sound. Bad people sitting, Furley hype. Bad people sitting, Jimmy Spliff. Black Pearl, bad people sitting.
Who do tell Spider?
True, sample hugs.
Them for know. Sound boy,
sing out.
Why you wanna know you get it? Hope you can defend it and hope you can back it to the sound.
Not the Spider.
Why you wanna know you get it? Hope you can defend it and hope you can brrrr. Why you want know you get?
This a Nitty-gritty, Angel Doolin and Bounty Killer.
Sound boy, why you want know
you see Supersonic from them land, them dead.
King Shine said, boy dead before the war starts.
Next show. That's
right. Big gun.
After I bust the boy,
Spider.
And the mercy.
We'll murder any sound killer, select a guy. Tell us sound boy don't try. King Shines will murder any sound killer, select a guy. And send them all sky. King Shines will murder any sound killer, select a guy.
Mister, we upon blood clot Bounty Killer.
Will murder any sound killer, select a guy. And send them all sky.
King Shine said, them offend them when them know them should not try.
Pull up that. Killer boy at the time. When I want the time run out, boy, them have to dead in the tune for tune. You understand? So people get to themselves in gear, tune for tune, blood clot time, you know. When the last time when you get a long distance blood clot dance and the sound them have to finish, them can't run out.
Alright, we want to say for King Shine in another round there. Now we are do the best of 7 songs. That's the most we can do. Cause time stay away. So right now, best of 7. See? So right now, Supersonic.
Yeah. Can you do it one more time? Give Jimmy one more boo for my please. What do you mean it not gonna work? Didn't it work? Didn't you hear it? You're deaf? You're deaf? No. On the short, on the why hear more music from King Shine, cause it not really, you know, the levels kinda. But if you know I hear music from Shine, I don't know. Anyway, tune for tune parts, and let me do this quick and fast.
Give it a break, sound guy, cause you don't have a clue yet.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Sound boy, you a shiver. Supersonic
knocked you out is World Fight Club.
But you feel a shiver. Cause you out there saw a tongue kiss, blood clot, girl will sell pussy on the road. You come get a disease, but you a shiver. Of course you a blood clot shiver. You know why you a shiver? Cause you're not tuning on your box bad like that one, yeah.
How can we build a better nation when everyone is supporting segregation? Give it up for once my brothers.
Don't master, you do it, Joe.
Now and forevermore.
New York! New York!
Chance come again.
New York! What you want me to do?
Play me something.
Bombo cloud! Pussy wall. Suck yourself.
All who say Supersonic take it, put one on the ear. All who say King Shine win it, put the hand in the ear. Alright, King Shine. One song.
I know you not big up your boss who voiced them junior before you. Big up the King Shine boss, you do a good job. Your voice Dennis Brown. Long time before King Shine was before Jimmy was around. But you see right now, Supersonic, we have voiced our own tune. We not listen to all the other sounds them cut. This is original Sonic's tune.
This has burned dire. I know what sound boy. And I tell you,
me I do my own blood clotting. Me I watch nobody.
Watch we. I don't watch people. I don't watch people. People watch me.
Pull up. Pussy, let me show you how you're idiot. How am I gonna cuss the song them with me no voice? Nothing wrong with that. Babyface and Mataran cut some bad tune. Addies fans, when Kingpin play them, you vex? You no vex? You no upset? Pussy wall, your ball, go suck yourself. All who wanna hear big tune, say big tune.
Come cross Gregory, immortal singer.
You see when rubber dub hit you, you feel no blood clot pain. You see when Tiny play tune, New York.
Every time I hear the music and I make it dip.
Cloud, pussy wall, 2-0, suck your girl.
All who say Supersonic take that one, they put their hand in the ear. Put them down. All who say King Shine take that one, they put their hand in the ear. Supersonic. Alright. So 1-1. Song number 3.
Jimmy, you know what make it worse? You know what makes the killing worse? You know who's gonna kill you now?
Bang bang biddy bang bang biddy bang bang biddy Menless Sue and Super.
You know who's gonna kill you now?
Bang bang biddy bang bang biddy bang bang biddy. The tonight some boy you're about to the head. Bang then you fool. Supersonic run the school.
New York, you make it worse.
Bang some boy me say the head.
I see.
Bang bang biddy bang bang biddy bang bang biddy bang. Some boy you're about to die.
It makes it worse.
Early Sunday morning there was a big blood.
I pull up.
E-commerce. What kind of transgender blood clot don't play to your player? Alright, people, then when I say Batman for dead, say dead. People, them come play a Batman tune. We can clean up the place with some spirits.
Come on. King Shine sound a play.
Bust away!
Make some jump and run away. Wanna be win?
Oh God, please kill a Batman and finish.
Listen. King Shine, deliver me, deliver me, deliver me.
Oh,
All who's a Sonic win it, put their hand in the ear. All who's a King Shine win, put their hands in the ear. Alright, the score is now 2-1. Song number 4.
I am win now. I give it that one. No problem. But as I said, remember I told you who was my artist? Rest in powers, the late great Joseph Hill. And I'm proud to say, no Addies, no LP, no Soul Supreme, no Earth Ruler, nobody can play that song on special. Play that one, yeah.
Supersonic. You kill the sound. You're not burying it.
Joseph Hill.
Whip them, lash them, take away them crown. Supersonic. Whip them, lash them, take away them
Who do listen?
Some of them have come with them grudge, hate and backbite. But we want them, some music is a clean thing. All you need is a few rubber dub. Stop these pussy now. Bad-minded thinking.
Stop this fuss and bad-minded thinking.
people, I'm going to use him style. Uno give him a small bow. Yo, fucker, yo. Yo, for your nose big like sweet pepper. Batty boy, you play the wrong blood clot tune and I dub for dub. When you are digging at the grave and dig up bad blood clot artists, and them tune you for play.
Look my body, look what you see is going on.
All who say Supersonic win, the one they put their hand in the ear. All who say King Shine win, put up their hand them. Alright, King Shine 3, Supersonic 1, song number 5.
I could play the same tune too. Lyrics, man, I could play the same song. Jimmy, when you play some music, what is exclusive, what you cut, what is for you? Play one more Joseph.
Supersonic. Tell the jump on around us the same one tonic. And whenever time, Supersonic hold him.
No way find music like this.
Step up, Supersonic and kill him. Supersonic. A someone want tonic. Supersonic.
No, we alone a play.
Don't you know why I'm running? La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I love Supersonic sound.
No man, you have no music like this.
Pussy wall. You come hype up yourself. La 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 la. La la your blood clot. Exclusive Dennis Brown. In my Cosmo old song. But you know what happened with fine wine? What happened when you make it get older? It get better, dog.
Step across Deepening and deal with this one for King Shines up, killing something. Hey.
Dennis Emmanuel blood clot, bro. You see King Shine song?
Hey, look it. like fine champagne and vintage wine. The sweetest song that you can find.
Pull up.
All who say Supersonic win that one, they put up there on them. All who say King Shine win it, put up there on them. Alright, Supersonic 2, King Shine 3. Song number 6.
Alright, Jimmy. You get boo for your Dennis Brown. Jeez, it flop, yeah, because you have no own identity. You have no own blood clot identity. Panzer, play some song what's known for Supersonic.
Run it!
Big up the big people in the house.
Supersonic sound. Everything super, you know what I'm talking
Big up the big people in the place.
Rastafari for a new name Jagat.
Big up the real Rasta man like Father Eater in the house. Listen.
Will always be around. None of Jaja children no cry. Supersonic will never die.
I want you to play something special, what you're responsible for. You cannot do it because you have no music.
Him say me can't play no tune where I'm responsible for. Me beat you early and now me I beat you late. You're like one abused bitch. Me kick you early and me kick you late and you not give up. You want to hear a song with me responsible for? You see you pussy wall? See Spider? Pussy wall Spider! You see them kick ya?
The more them get it, yeah.
People!
And the more them want.
Pull up! Yo, move your pussy wall. Yo, don't be too enough, batty boy.
All who say Supersonic take that song, they put their hand in the ear. All who say King Shine take that song, they put their hand in the ear. Alright, the score is now 3-3. Song number 7.
You say you was responsible for the last one. So you're responsible for the ras boo you get to. You pussy hole, yo. Let me play my final tune. People, it's not a song what every sound have, and probably some people don't know about that song. But if you go dig in the history, you see the artist and the song, you know. Just play.
Supersonic, the number one song for ruling the nation.
This is Yabio!
Supersonic send on a Babylon to warn the nation.
I don't know Jimmy dead, say dead. Say dead! Say dead!
Batty boy, you try blood clot hard. That dance ain't not done yet, pussy. That dance ain't not done yet, pussy. You talk about exclusive. Pussy, you talk about exclusive. Pussy, me run. We are waiting upon them people if you stop. Yeah, man, no can't stop. Oh no done. Oh no done. Oh no done. People. Three people come with Supersonic. Panzer, Spider, and Blood Clot Chris. Look at Chris in the corner. The three of them that make Blood Clot one. You talk about Blood Clot exclusive. Pussy one, me I gonna play that Blood Clot tune ya. And a normal Blood Clot tune. When you jump up with the European and play them not normal tune. Listen to that Blood Clot tune ya. A three of them pussy ya come here, you know. New York City. John O'Dog. John O'Dog. John O'Dog. John O'Dog. John O'Dog. Pussy. Oh, you turn down the sun. I sabotage fuckery. Me say I three of them pussy come here. And look on the pussy them. They don't even have to use Q number 4, but them turn it down. What that blood clot tell you about the pussy them?
Say, fabulous win. Tony B. Max from Mesewa.
Forward.
Na. King Shine Sound.
Pussy will sabotage myself.
Oh yeah.
New York.
Alright. I went to a sound clash last Saturday night.
I go.
When I reached the sound clash,
I go.
Everything was right. Then King Shine Red.
You see the three pussy them?
Red. Yes, in red. Jump and catch them Fred. Catch them Fred.
You see you, Chris and Panzer?
It was like 3 blind mice. You could have seen jump and around.
Pull up my song. Fuckery you wanna do a while ago. That's how it goes still. A fuckery you wanna do. New York, pick up on yourself, yeah?
All who say Supersonic win that one, they put up the hand them in the air. All who say King Shine win that one, they put up the hand them in the air. So the score is now 4-3. And the new World Fight Club champion is from way out of Germany, the King of Europe, Supersonic.
Boy, what I go say? Thank you very much, New York City. All in all, we were struggling the first 2 rounds because it's been a while, but in the end of the day, you never forget to clash. It's either you have it or you don't. So big up Jimmy one more time. You give me a good fight, but yeah, so it goes sometimes. There's levels to everything. I told you before. But you have a bright future. Big up King Addies on the promotion. Enough respect. Killer Boo, Viper, Father Ethan. The whole family, man. Smokey in the place. LP family, big up. But I want to get a drink now, Bridget. I want to drink something and smoke.
Big up yourself, Spider. The whole Supersonic family.